Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I have an update for ETH. So let's get into the video and see what happened to the last prediction. In the end of the video, I'll discuss about the last prediction. Now let's go for the live chart. So as you see, I'm on Ethereum Bitstamp exchange here. Okay. So that counts that I've taken recently. Okay, I will update the counts here. So let me show you. So we'll go in both Elliott and retail analyze. Okay. So here I have taken this an impulse wave, okay, and this an correction wave, okay. So let's see what's happening with the market. So here I have taken 1 2 1 2 3 4 3 4 5, okay. So this is 1 to 1 extension here. So I have taken this as a wave 1, okay. I'm considering this as a wave 1, so we can consider it as wave 1 as well. And here the market is right now, it's creating the wave 2, okay. I'll mark out that. Okay, we are in wave 1. Wave 1 is done. So wave 2 can be other than triangle, any correction can be happen inside this. So what the correction that I took is this A B C, this is an running flat, okay. So this is an expanding flat, A B and C. So the reason that I have taken this as a wave A is when a flat is forming, the wave can be any correction other than the triangle. So here we have a WXY, okay, we have a WXY. So if you go for minor time frame, you can see WXY, okay. So Y is ABC here. So in this one we have a leading diagonal here, we can see here WXY, okay. So that was a complex zigzag pattern, so I have taken it as wave A, okay. So in this wave B, any correction could happen, even a triangle can happen. So here I have taken A, okay, this as a B, this as A and B and C, okay. It's a flat, okay. So the reason that I have ignored this is we have inside the B, okay, we are going like this, right? The market is going A B C, right? So what I'm taking is for the B wave, anything could happen. So here we have a B wave, A B C. So here we B wave can be any pattern. So we have A B and C. We have another flat going inside that. So this is an also correction wave here, okay. A B C, okay. So B wave also C wave. So the C wave should be either a impulse or diagonal here. So we completed wave 1 2 and 3 and the 4 5. So now let's see what's happening in this wave, okay. The fourth wave, I'm expecting the fourth wave to form a flat A B and C or a triangle here, okay. A B C D E, okay. We have a triangle, so market should form a triangle and fall for a fifth wave. So this is what I'm expecting the market. So we have this impulse wave, right? We can consider it as A, okay, and B is forming right now. It can be a zigzag, it will be a correction wave here. If it is a triangle, it will be a correct wave. If it is an flat, okay, we have A and B also can be a, so we have an A B C, okay, and should fall down. So that the key levels that I drawn here is, so if we consider this as a wave 2, this as a wave 2, so I have taken the fig from the 0 to this 5 here, so we can see where the market has reached. So we have 1 2 3 4, can be 4 here and 5, okay. This will be the range. And if you go with flat, okay, if you measure the flat where the C wave can extend, we can see here clearly, okay. So these are the target for me for the C, okay. And another target is like this. So it has already mitigated this 1.618 fib level, okay. So the another target that I'm expecting for the market to do is this, Okay, so already it has mitigated 1.618 fib level here, so the minimum target is reached, and still we are struggling to make this fourth wave. So if the fourth wave is either flat or triangle, if the market falls, it could fall for this range. Okay, it's between 0.382 and 0.5, which is 2040 level. Okay, market can fall this for this level, and we can expect a bounce from this level. Okay, this level will be a good point of interest, so have a eye on that. So watch this 2040 price level. Okay, that will be a good point of interest. So let's go for another chart, and I'll explain what happened to the last prediction. Okay, let's discuss what happened to the last prediction. So the key levels that I drawn here, I explained why I had drawn in the last previous video, so you can check that. So mark what I told you, that if this green line is broke, we can see a drop in the market. Okay, so we form this bearish pattern. So if that green line, not only this black color line, but also this green line should break, and we had a beautiful retest, and market dropped almost 13. Okay, it's 13 without 13% without leverage, so it has reached this 2186 level as I predicted in the last video. Okay, so currently market is struggling on that green line. You see, it's going in a side wave. Okay, it's in a side wave. So if the market close, okay, if it break like this and made a retest, so this can go to the downside. Okay, which is 2040, this level. Okay, this levels will be reached. Okay, and this is what retail I'm seeing right now. So let's zoom out to the low time frames and see what's visible for eyes. Okay, so you can see that this is a range, forming a range. Market is forming a range here. It's very uncertain right now. It's very uncertain right now. So if you take a closer look, this is a descending trend line. Okay, and this is a pattern. You can see this is a descending triangle. So what happens? So it has break and made a retest, and should break this level and go for the downside. So this is what I'm expecting the market. Okay, so if this break up, then we can expect a higher price movements. Okay, so always don't be in one side. We can if the market broke above this green line, we can expect a higher price movements. So market has done that previously, but there's no much push to the upside. You see, there's no much push to the upside. I think the market is coiling for something. See, market is coiling for something. You see, it could boom, and this can go upward as well. So have an eye on that. So if this is an ABC, okay, if this is an ABC correction, okay, not only flattened triangle can come here, ABC correction also can come. But if it comes, if the ABC correction form here, so we have taken this as a wave 1, right? So this as a wave 1, so it will be invalid wave. Okay, wave count. Okay, so let's stop that when the market does that. So right now what I see is these bearish symptoms. Okay, if the market close, then you can go for a long. Okay, so that's all I see in the market, and let's see what happens to the market in the coming days, and I'll end up the video here. We'll see you in another good crypto market update. Until then, see you guys.